I am not Waffles. That is Mr. Waffles.
I'm Mr. Waffles.
He's Pancake. Okay, so I'm female.
As you can see.
That's
Female. We're female. We like being female. So, we're female.
Female.
Yeah. So, this is our introduction. And it's going to be our first video we ever post. And so,
Hope you guys like it.
yeah. Okay, Pancake.
Okay, what are the top 10 ways to break your cell phone? Number 10.
What is it?
2. You gotta throw it at a wall.
Go wall!
Yes.
Okay, well, my number 9 is eat it. Since I like eating things.
This is a sad thing to say because I know Waffles does this constantly.
No.
Yes, I know.
Number 8.
Don't text. Number 8, don't text while you poop. Bad idea.
Because then you like drop it, and then you like go.
Oh!
It's like all over your feet. Alright, well, I bake a lot, and I accidentally dropped it in a baking pan and baked at 350 degrees until golden.
Alright, you know, you really shouldn't call or text people while juggling random fruit, because that just gets
They just get in the way because you're gonna boom,
Alright.
Okay, coconut. Okay, I thought it'd be cool to text while having various water it'd be weird. I have plain water on my various buttons.
Yes. Number 4, you really should not let your family borrow your cell phone.
You won't get it back.
That's just a bad idea.
Bad idea.
Oh, happening. Oh.
Okay. Number 3, shampooing an animal while texting, calling, or
Okay. Alright. You should not text, call, or other with your phone while eating or drinking beverages or food.
Tequila.
Tequila!
Okay. Now, number 1, which is a kicker for me and
Oh,
for
yes.
you,
Oh, yes.
is this.
Just
Okay.
constantly.
I need to beat. Okay, ready? Going in the toilet while having your moronic mother touch you in bad places while you're walking streets. I started avocado and mother quarter butter, upper quarter fruit cake, and your brother's clean, but they have to get it done.
I like 5.
Okay, so, and scene. Okay, so that was our introduction, and post, comments, tell us what you thought, give us ideas, or else we'll find you.